In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a WordPress website. Getting your website up and running can seem like a daunting task, but with WordPress, the process is streamlined and user-friendly. Let's dive in and take you through each step to set up your very own WordPress site. First, we're going to start by heading over to wordpress.com. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL, or you can find the link in the description below for easy access. Once the page loads, you'll want to look for the login section. You'll see a prompt to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. WordPress makes this step easy and straightforward, so you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged in, the next step is to search for a domain. Domains are like digital addresses for your website, so it's crucial to choose one that is both easy to remember and relevant to your site's content. When you get to this point, take a moment to brainstorm a few ideas. WordPress will prompt you to enter your desired domain name to see if it's available. If your first choice is taken, don't worry, it's quite common. Just try different variations or maybe consider a creative alternative. After brainstorming comes selection time. Once you've found a domain that's available and fits your needs, go ahead and click Select. This action will secure your domain choice and move you to the next part of the process. It's essential to double-check your selection before proceeding, because your domain plays a big part in branding your website and can have long-term implications on your online presence. If you face any difficulties, or if the domain you want isn't available, WordPress typically suggests alternatives that might work just as well. Consider these suggestions, as they can sometimes offer creative options you might not have thought of. Remember, a good domain is concise, easy to spell, and memorable. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully walked through the initial phase of hosting a WordPress website. Once your domain is selected, WordPress guides you through the rest of the setup, including choosing a plan that suits your needs and customizing your website's appearance to make it uniquely yours. Hosting a WordPress website is, in essence, about making informed decisions at each step and leveraging WordPress's tools to design your site effortlessly. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to host a WordPress website. I hope this guide helps you kickstart your online journey smoothly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful or if you have any questions. Happy hosting, and until next time, enjoy bringing your web vision to life with WordPress.